Imagine for a moment that all of the religious fanatics in the world took it upon themselves to kill every person who believed in the theory of natural selection.
Okay.
Assuming that religious extremism is an inherited trait, they would effectively be killing off all those who lack that particular gene.
That's true.
Or to put it another way, they would be eliminating all those with the genetic code that develops reason over belief in the supernatural.
Yes, so they would remove from the gene pool the ability to understand and appreciate the scientific theory of natural selection.
But that brings us to an interesting paradox. By killing all of the atheists, zealots would be actually demonstrating natural selection. And at the same time they would be destroying mankind's ability to comprehend it.
Fascinating. They would be proving the atheist's argument by performing an act that silences that argument forever.
Right. And it gets more interesting. Because if this did happen, and fanatics were the victors in a battle for soul survival, we would have to assume that religious extremism provides some advantage over reasonable thinking, at least in terms of a group's ability to survive over another group. Therefore, we would be forced to conclude that embracing an irrational belief in supernatural forces is a more rational choice than adhering to a system of thought that, however logical, leads to your demise.
That's a really interesting argument. But let me ask you this.
Shoot.
Did you ever go out and get the coffee I asked for 10 minutes ago, or have you been fucking around with this nonsense the whole time?
Right. You did say 2 sugars.
And a bear claw.
Going now.
Godspeed.